Okay, so introduce ko muna kayo. So guys, these are our friends from the Provincial Tourism.
Hi guys.
Ayan.
Hello.
So pakilala ka.
Yes, ako si Bentor Ganado, staff of the Provincial Tourism. And
I'm Dennis Aragon.
Eugene po. I'm Eugene.
Yeah, and you can call me Bo. Thank you very much for coming.
Yes.
So we're all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
Yeah.
Madam.
Supposed to be may isa, nagkasakit yung husband.
Okay.
So she has to cancel. As in last minute.
Guys, isa muna, request lang. Ang bati natin, what's up Pilipinas?
So ay,
Ba yun ba to?
Pakilala ka muna. Para hindi sila ma-shock. Sige, go.
Yes. Ako po si Ross Del Rosario, ang inyong pambansang vlogger from What's Up Pilipinas. Ayun, so yun po magiging natin, standard na greeting. What's up Pilipinas?
1, 2, 3, go! What's up, Pilipinas?
Yun.
Okay.
I'm calling up photojournalist of What's Up Pilipinas.
Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Jeannie, traveler.
Hi, Nini.
Working sa office.
Alright.
For Manulife, but on her own. Okay, ako naman yung organizer sa magkakilala na tayo.
And your name, ma'am?
Knock.
Who's there?
Knock.
Ulit. Who are you?
Time knock.
Who's there?
Okay.
Alright.
So who will be the guide now, na?
Alright, so the Bontoc Museum was actually created or inaugurated through the efforts of the Bontoc Catholic Mission. Thank you. The Bontoc Catholic Mission. The Bontoc Catholic Mission was established here in the 1900s already, but it was through the main efforts of Sister Basil Gekie. Sister Basil Gekie was a member of the Immaculate Conception of Mary, Belgian nuns to be exact, mga Belgian nuns. So she initiated the creation of the Bontoc Museum for the preservation and the sustenance of the culture and traditions of Bontoc Mountain Province. That's why most of the collections that you'll be seeing inside the museum came from private donations from different families. And some were also actually given by museums outside of the country kung saan those artifacts were not really were taken out, but they had to return it back here to Bontoc. So you will see the main design of the museum is actually created out of the design of the old houses of Bontoc, which you will see the pictures inside the museum also. So come in.
Bo, what a sweet surprise to have you for this tour, huh?
Yeah, you're very colorful nga eh.
I love it.
I love your outfit, your hair.
Very fashion forward.
So in front of the museum, you'll be seeing two bulols. The bulols are the tinagtagungan. The ones who mainly use the artifacts for the bulols are actually the people of Ifugao.
Yeah.
They're the ones who use them in the rituals. And then usually they represent the rice gods, or they're a physical representation of the anitos. Anitos literally means spirits in our term or in our language. Ayan. So pagpasok natin, entrance fee will be 70 pesos.
I'll take care of
Yeah,
that.
I'll take care of that. And then we can go ahead and proceed with the tour. Pasok na muna kayo.
Sige.
Meron po bang greeting dito na ibang dialect?
No pictures allowed.
Gawis ay ago.
No
video na sa inside.
No pictures na inside.
We cannot take anymore?
Because it's they consider the basic.
Okay, sorry guys.